Hi everyone, this is Yan. Today I will bring you to one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Budapest, the Citadella. Let's go! Citadella is a fortress that located at the top of Gellért Hill. It was built by the Habsburgs in 1854 to defend the city from further insurrection. Gellért Hill is the place to go for the best panoramic views of Budapest. You can get to see the Danube River, Buda Castle, Parliament, the Pest Embankment, and the Buda Hills from here. You can walk up to the Citadella so you can enjoy the view while walking. The Citadella is a U-shaped 19th century fortress of about 220 meters long, 60 meters wide, and 4 meters tall with 60 cannons complement. It was occupied by the Austrians until 1899. At the top of the fortress, there's a Liberty Monument which can be seen from almost all parts of Budapest. This is to commemorate those who sacrificed their lives for the independence of Hungary, which erected in 1947. The Liberty statue is a female figure who holding a palm leaf, both hands up to the sky, which is the symbol of victory and success. There are two statues below her, a woman that holding a torch, which represents progress, and a man who fighting a dragon, representing the struggle against the force of evil. Other than this, you can also visit the other attractions here, such as the Cave Church and St. Gellért Monument. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will share the details at the description below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the notification button and share to your friends. Bye!